In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an article on LinkedIn using the mobile app, which is not as straightforward as using the web version. As many of you might know, the LinkedIn mobile app doesn't offer the same feature set as the web version. On the LinkedIn website, you have the flexibility to create an article directly and publish it formally. This is highly recommended if you're using a desktop, but if you find yourself needing to post an article through your mobile device, don't worry, I'm here to show you a neat workaround. Let's begin by opening your LinkedIn mobile app. Once you have it open, look for the plus icon, which is situated right at the top right corner of your screen. Give that a tap. This action will allow you to create a post and essentially initiate the process of our workaround for crafting an article. Start by creating the header of your article. This header serves as the title and will help grab the attention of your audience. Next, you'll want to double tap the entry area to insert spaces or breaks. This will ensure that your text is well organized and distinct from other sections of your article. Now you can proceed to add the body of your article. This is where you pour in the details or the main message you wish to convey to your audience. One of the advantages of this method is the versatility in enhancing your article. You can enrich it with multimedia elements like photos and videos, making your post visually engaging. To do this, simply tap on the media icon and choose your preferred files to upload. It's entirely up to you how you wish your article or post to look and feel, giving you a degree of creativity to cater to your audience's preferences. Remember, this method is a practical workaround to create an article without using a web browser. However, if you're looking to formally create an article on LinkedIn, I suggest using the web version, which offers a more streamlined approach. For those interested in learning how to create an article on LinkedIn via the desktop, we have a separate video covering everything you need to know. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you're notified of our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.